Hi everyone, happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. It's raining here in Salt Lake. I love the rain. I love to walk in it. I love to kiss in it. I love to hold somebody in it. Every once in a while you can catch me out on a warm cement ground and just lay there and let the warm water just dance all over your body. And my favorite is I love to listen to it. It's hitting my sunroof right now, and it's just an amazing sound. It's so relaxing and refreshing and amazing. Plus, rain, it cleans things away. It gets the smog out of the sky. It gets the crap and the pollution out of here. It's just an amazing feeling. Anyways, if it's raining in your area, go out and enjoy it. Whether you go hiking, biking, camping, or just walking and cuddling, go enjoy your rain because it really is refreshing. So anyways, guys, I'm going to enjoy the rain right before my bus shows up. Please tell me what your favorite weather is. Talk to you later. Bye.